Video marketing and how to create attention-grabbing videos for your video marketing. Welcome to this tutorial where I'm going to walk you through really cool stuff everyone can do without technical requirements or technical skills at all. As you may recognize, there are a lot of videos outside on Facebook or Instagram with headers and footers. And for sure you can do this with kind of iMovie or video software or whatever, but let me show you a way how you can do this with no technical skills at all in pretty much less than 3 minutes. And let's dive direct into it. What we got here is actually the software, and it's called VideoWrapper. I already prepared myself with anything. That means I've got the video ready, I've got the header and the footer ready, and I personally used for the header and footer text stuff from cooltext.com, where I went here, I took this one and I said special offer, and as you see it will appear, so you can do create logo. Click on create logo and you can download the logo, the fonts for your header and footer, which I'm going to show you in a second. Now what we do here is create your own template. That's actually what I always prefer to choose. And as I said, header and footer. So graphic packs, backgrounds, and this is definitely a basic tutorial. Don't want to waste your time that long. That's why I'm moving here pretty much forward. We just checked the background. Let's add this background to the scene and click on next. Here you can upload your actual advertising video, which you use for your marketing right now. I already did that with this video here. So let's add this to the scene. As you see, it pretty much fits in perfect. Now go to the next one. Here we are in the header and footer section, where you actually can upload the pictures you downloaded here, or maybe you're familiar with Photoshop or whatever software, or maybe you already got some pictures you want to put in. Then you can drag and drop it here, or you can click and upload it. I already uploaded it, and you will recognize these two fonts as I said, I made on this page, which is cool text. I downloaded it and I uploaded it. This one, special offer, is actually my header. So let's add this. Special offer. Then next one, select get 20% off this week. And here we are. Next. Let's go back. Next. So that's actually it. I skip over this stuff here because all I wanted to show you in this tutorial is how to add header and the footer to your videos to get more attention, and that's actually it. We are already done. So skip this, continue. The software now creates this video, and I already have this here. So as you see, let's check before and after. Maybe I've got it here. That's the video before, and that's actually the video right now. And as you see, there is definitely more attention-grabbing factor in the second one, just because of the special offer and to get 20% off this week. Yeah, that's actually it. The cool part is definitely everyone can do that. All you need is actually a video, which you probably already have, and with a header and the footer, which I showed you in this tutorial, you definitely get more attention than just with the video. I hope that makes sense so far. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Do not forget to subscribe my channel, and if you have any questions, just leave me a comment, and you will also find a link in the description to get this piece of software, which is actually cloud-based, which means it's available from any browser. As you see here, now it's rendered. I can check it, save and preview. Okay, read new attention grabbing video, save, and actually download, and you're good. Again, you will find a link to the software in the description. If you have any questions, leave me a comment, subscribe my channel. I hope that was helpful, and I wish you an awesome day, evening, or night whenever you watch this tutorial. Thanks so much. Cheers, and to your success.